Hey everybody, it's 9:31 a.m. the 5th of August 2009. In just about 30 minutes we're gonna get the ISM non-manufacturing PMI. The number we're expecting is 48.1 and the previous release is 47. What we're going to be looking for is at least a 2.5 points of deviation. So if we get something above 50 in the area of 50.5, that would be good for the US dollar. And if we get something 2.5 points less, such as 45.5 release number, then that would be bad for the US dollar. Now we'll be looking at the dollar yen pair. We can see that this pair has been trading in a very tight range prior to this release. We're looking at a range of 50 pips, and what we'll do is we'll wait for the number to come out. We'll look at market reaction, and if we do see a good market reaction to this number, then we'll wait for retracement to get in. Now we could also be trading the euro dollar or the pound dollar. It all depends on which currency pair is giving us the best signal at the time. What I'll do is I use a software, basically it's called the strength meter, and I will look at the strength of different currencies at the time. If it is a USD bullish signal, I will choose the weakest European currency pair to trade against the USD, so we get the maximum movement. Now if it is a USD bearish signal, then I'll choose the currency that's the strongest against US dollar, so that I will also get the maximum movement on this one. So I'm monitoring the euro, the pound, the Audi, the CAD, and also the dollar yen for a good entry. So with that in mind, in about 26 minutes we're gonna get the release, and let's see if we can jump in on a trade. Okay guys, under 1 minute now. I'm gonna leave the mic on.
July ISM non-manufacturing composite and the June factory orders, as well as the UK data, should be out in just a few seconds. Orders 0.4%, 46.4 and 46.4 for ISM, below the 48 expectation for ISM. Factory order 0.4% is above the minus 0.8% expected. Prior biased 110 lower to 1.1% from 1.2%. UK GDP estimate minus 0.4%. Prior bias lower to minus 0.8%.
Looking at prices in the ISM, falling to 41.3 from 53.7. Employment also fell to 41.5 from 43.4 in June. The new orders fell slightly to 48.1 versus 48.6 in June. Lowers Therapeutics.
We didn't really quite get our tradable deviation. However, the number is worse than expected, and we're seeing some strong reaction in the market. Okay everybody, it's 14 minutes after the release, and we're seeing the market really just selling off, taking advantage of the more negative than expected number. But I really don't see a reason behind this momentum. We saw a huge drop. I'll just show you real quick. About 95 pips, 100 pips drop. It's just very out of character for this pair. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and start buying at this level, because the overall trend is still up. I'm going to be getting in as close as 161 as possible. And right now I'm seeing 161.07, so I'm going to take it. Alright, so we'll see what happens with this trade in a little bit. Okay, looking at the market right now, we're seeing markets continue to drop down a little bit more, but that is okay, because the long-term view of this trade is actually buy on dips. So we actually got in on a dip. It's okay. I'm going to get in also on the euro yen, now at the 136.27 area. It is already at the low of the day, broke the low of the day, and I think there's a lot of potential for the market to recover. So I'm gonna get in this trade. But anyways, I'm already looking at break even right now, so it's really not bad trade. So what I'll do is I'll just wait for the market to bring these trades to profit, and I'll come back in the next 5-10 minutes or few hours and see where we are with this. Hey everybody, it's 11:18. We're seeing good 65 pips of profit right now between these two trades, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take it and call it a day. So that's 22 pips from the pound yen. Entry at 161.07. Right now it's 161.29. That's 22 pips. And for the euro yen, got in at 136.72. that's now getting at 136.29, so about 41 pips right now. Okay, not a bad day. We still have one more news today with the Australian employment. After that, I will wrap up with all of the trades today. Thank you.